10 Best Cities to Visit in Eritrea Major Cities in Eritrea. Asmara, the capital of Eritrea, is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. With its street cafes serving delicious Italian coffee and numerous pastry shops, it feels like a small village in Italy. Asmara is also known for its collection of modernist architecture, making it a must-visit for architecture enthusiasts. Despite its beauty, Asmara remains a congenial city, offering a unique experience in Africa. Located about 100 kilometers from Asmara, Massawa is a stark contrast to the capital. This coastal city is known for its charming streets, whitewashed buildings, and relaxed atmosphere. Although much of Massawa was destroyed during the War for Independence, restoration efforts are slowly bringing back its former glory. Strolling through the streets and alleys of Massawa is a delightful experience. Keren, the third largest city in Eritrea, is famous for its quiet and laid-back atmosphere. Colorful markets and ethnic diversity add to the charm of this pretty town. Surrounded by beautiful mountains, including Amba, Idaber, Lalamba, and Zeban mountains, Keren offers a tranquil escape. Don't miss the Teguh Egyptian fort, Debre Sina Monastery, and the chance to relax under the shade of baobab trees. Teseney, also known as Teseney, is a market city located in western Eritrea. Despite its turbulent past, Teseney has become a bustling administrative center with agricultural and customs offices. Its proximity to the Sudanese border makes it a popular destination in western Eritrea. Mendefera, the capital city of the Debub region, is a bustling market town with a rich history. The town's name, meaning no one dared, is a reminder of its anti-colonial movement. Mendefera is known for its large-scale factories and is surrounded by fertile lands. Don't miss the nearby village of Gutsea. Agordat, one of the oldest cities in Eritrea, is located on the western termination of the railway from Massawa. This bustling market town is famous for its high temperatures and sandstorms, known as haboobs. Agordat is also known for its banana plantations and the akat trees along the Barka River. Assap, a modern port city, was once an important port serving Addis Ababa. With its oil refinery and Ethiopian influence, Assap has a distinct feel. The city is divided into 3 parts, each offering a unique experience. Don't forget to explore the islands in the Bay of Assap. Quala, located south of Mendefera and near the Ethiopian border, is a small city with a rich history. The town is known for its Tukul Church, St. Mary Church, and mausoleum for Italian army soldiers. Quala is a vibrant city where Tigrinya is the predominant language. Segheneyti, located on the road between Asmara and Sanafe, is a popular city in the southern region of Eritrea. It is home to diverse ethnic groups and is influenced by both Islam and Christianity. Keyh, a famous market town, lies southeast of Asmara. With its ruins of Kohito and Takanda, Keyh offers a glimpse into Eritrea's ancient history. The city is also home to Eritrea's College of Science and Arts. These are the top cities to visit in Eritrea, each offering its own unique charm and attractions. Plan your trip to explore the beauty and diversity of this fascinating country.